This is the actual footage of what was suspected to be an assassination attempt on Putin's life. This is Putin's official car on the way to the G20 summit. But last minute, Putin actually got into a different car on advice, good advice. But this is the actual impact. There, that car shoots straight over and hits it. The driver's killed instantly, but look at the impact as it continues.
Alright, there it is. Oh man.
Wow, right there. Let's continue it. So it's always difficult not to make massive assumptions. I'm sure details of the other driver will come out, but my concern is that we now know that cars can actually be taken over remotely from an external source, and we've seen that has been taking place and people have done it. So it'll be interesting to see how this develops, but could we say the New World Order wants to wipe Putin out? That's what a lot of people are saying. Yeah, let's see what develops on this. Apparently on rent.com, there's been 7 assassination attempts on President Putin while he was at a funeral in Petersburg. That was the first. The second's claimed to be during an informal summit in the year 2000. The third, January the 9th, 2002. Security services foiled an attempt, according to statements by Namik Abbasov. Believed to have intended to carry out the attempt, Rostrom was reported to have spent some time in training camps in Afghanistan. Fourth attempt within the Kremlin walls about midday on February the 6th, 2002. Came over the building wall. Fifth attempt. Mysterious explosive devices reportedly discovered in the vicinity of Rublivo-Uspenskoye highway vanished without a trace. Sixth attempt. Handmade explosive device, 2003, Petersburg. Seventh attempt, discussed by Scotland Yard. 2 Russians, 1436, obtained in London, October the 12th, 2003, by operatives of a counter-terrorism unit. One of the Russians was a former member of the Russian Security Services. And then we have, obviously, this latest attempt. One of the national newspapers is claiming that Vladimir Putin's chauffeur, who died in a horror crash, was assassinated by Western spies to send a violent message to Russian president. Apparently that was his favourite chauffeur. So yeah, it's pretty well in mainstream media now. I wonder what will become of this.